Today I'll be showing you how to convert between radians and degrees, and to do this you need to remember one thing. Pi radians equals 180 degrees. So first let's have a look at converting degrees to radians. What would 40 degrees be in radians? To convert from degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. And I'll quickly explain why for those that are interested. When we multiply by pi over 180, we're essentially doing 40 degrees divided by 1 times pi radians over 180 degrees. And the reason we can do that is because pi radians equals 180 degrees, so we're essentially just multiplying by 1, because anything divided by itself is 1. So we can cross-cancel the degrees units, and then we're left with only radians. And so it becomes 40 pi radians over 180, which you can simplify to be 2 pi over 9 radians. So that's just showing you why multiplying by pi over 180 converts degrees to radians, but all you need to remember is to go from degrees to radians, multiply by pi over 180. Alright, here's a practice question. See if you can convert 130 degrees into radians. So to do that, we're going to multiply 130 by pi over 180. And then we can just turn that into one fraction to make it easier. So 130 pi over 180. And then that simplifies to 13 pi over 18. And you don't technically have to write units because radians are unitless, but if you want you can just write rads or radians, it's up to you. Alright, now let's have a look at converting radians to degrees. So what would 2 pi over 3 radians be in degrees? To convert radians to degrees, you multiply by 180 over pi. That's because if you do 2 pi radians over 3 times 180 degrees over pi radians, you can cross-cancel the pi radians and then you're only left with degrees. So it becomes 2 times 180 degrees over 3, which equals 360 degrees over 3. And then that simplifies to 120 degrees. So just remember, to convert from radians to degrees, you multiply by 180 over pi. Alright, here's one final practice question. So see if you can convert 3 pi over 4 radians into degrees. Alright, so to convert radians into degrees, you just multiply by 180 over pi. So that's going to equal 540 pi over 4 pi. And then you can cancel out the pi's. And 540 divided by 4 is 135. So it's 135 degrees. And that's how you convert between radians and degrees. Thanks for watching.